Welcome to our channel. If you've just purchased an Apple Watch, follow these step-by-step instructions to pair it with your iPhone and complete the setup process. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version and has Bluetooth enabled. Step 2. Turn on your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. Step 3. Hold your Apple Watch close to your iPhone. A message should appear on your iPhone saying, "Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch." Step 4. Tap Continue on your iPhone. If the message doesn't appear, open the Apple Watch app and tap Start Pairing. Step 5. Position your iPhone so the Apple Watch face appears in the viewfinder on your iPhone screen. Step 6. Wait for a message confirming that your Apple Watch is paired. Tap Set Up as New Apple Watch or choose to restore from a backup. Step 7. Choose which wrist you'll wear your Apple Watch on, then tap Continue. Step 8. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 9. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted. This enables features like Apple Pay and Handoff. Step 10. Set up features like location services, Siri, diagnostics, and activity tracking according to your preferences. Step 11. Create a passcode for your Apple Watch for security, or skip this step to set it up later. Step 12. Wait for your Apple Watch to sync with your iPhone. This may take several minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.